Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This week I have decided to keep the revision week, so your videos will going to be repeated or your chapters will going to be repeated. You feel that this thing is already explained, why ma'am is doing again. I'm doing again because I'm keeping the videos again because I want you to go through the chapters in a revision way, because very soon your exams are going to start and the timetable and your syllabus will going to be shared on your WhatsApp group very soon. So let's begin. Good morning students. आज हमारा जो चैप्टर है वो मैं शुरू करने से पहले आपसे आपके आने वाले एग्ज़ाम के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. दैट योर फर्स्ट टर्मिनल एग्ज़ाम इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन इन दिस मंथ. इट इज़ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ओनली इन दिस मंथ. द टाइम टेबल एंड कोर्स इज़ ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड on WhatsApp group to your respective groups, standard groups. So make sure each and every students appear all the exams, because this is your term exam. This is the compulsory exam and it will going to affect on your annual exams also, the result. Okay, so make sure you all start studying. In grammar, the course is 1 to 13 chapters, in which fill in the blanks, true or false MCQ questions are asked. Okay, so now let's start our study. Our chapter is chapter 15, models. What is models? The word which express your mood. It is always the speaker's intentions or mood express the words which we use. Okay, so they calls models. जब बोलने वाले का क्या सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेस होता है, जैसे कि उसका मूड एक्सप्रेस पता चलता है या उसका इंटेंशन पता चलता है जिस वर्ड से, उस वर्ड को हम मॉडल कहते हैं. बट मॉडल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. और व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब? योर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ओके, योर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, योर मॉडल इज द पार्ट ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ओके, the verb can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would and must are called modals or modal verbs. They are also called auxiliary verb. We use them before main verb. They express different function like as ability, permission, certainty, request or necessity. We use modal as they are. They are no forms of modals, so we do not need to add s, ed, ing, etc. to them. Okay. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक को, बिफोर आई एक्सप्लेन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, आई वुड लाइक यू टू गो विद दिस थिंग, बिकॉज ये मैंने एक सिंपल वे में एक नोट बनाया है. दिस विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड मॉडल. एज आई टोल्ड यू, मॉडल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब मीन्स ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. बट व्हाट इज मोर? मॉडल. मॉडल्स मीन्स शोज स्पीकर इंटेंशन. जो स्पीकर का इंटेंशन आपको बताता है, लाइक या तो वो परमिशन लेंगे, कोई भी सेंटेंस अगर वो बोल रहे स्पीकर, इफ स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग, इट माइट बी ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सम परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, रिक्वेस्ट, एबिलिटी, the speaker will going to talk about this 4 parts. I have written here examples. So if you see the example, you'll understand. What the first sentence I have written, Arijit sings a song. Okay, Arijit should sing a song. Arijit can sing a song. Arijit must sing a song. If I remove should, can and must, all the sentence are same. एक ही सेंटेंस में आप देखेंगे कि कितने सारे मीनिंग्स आ रहे हैं. अरिजीत सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग. दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल सेंटेंस. ओके, इट्स अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, सो विल टेक इट ऑफ. इफ आई रिमूव दिस शुड, अगेन इट विल बी अरिजीत सिंग अ सॉन्ग. बट मैंने क्या लिखा है, अरिजीत शुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग. मीन्स यहां मैं कौन सी इच्छा जाहिर कर रही हूं, चाहिए, मतलब ही शुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग. वो मतलब मैं एडवाइज कर रही हूं कि वो ही शुड डू इट, ही शुड सिंग द सॉन्ग, सो आई एम एडवाइजिंग. ओके, यहां पे मैं क्या शो कर रही हूँ, एडवाइस. सो चाहिए, इफ आई से इन हिंदी इट इज चाहिए. देन सेम सेंटेंस विथ कैन. अरिजीत कैन sing a song. This happens in a possibility. Means वो शायद गाना गाएगा. अरिजीत शायद गाना गाएगा. अरिजीत गाना गा सकता है. सो ये पॉसिबिलिटी हो गई. सकता है. कैन सिंग अ सॉन्ग. अरिजीत मस्ट सिंग अ सॉन्ग. यहां पे ये कमांड हो गया, उसको गाना पड़ेगा. सो एक वर्ड से सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. इट मॉडिफाई द सेंटेंस व्हेन with the help of modal words we modify or we change the meaning of the sentence. We don't change, we modify the sentence. Okay, so now you have understood a very easy way. I have explained you about the modal. Okay, but the main rule is that modal are not a action word. So this is the very easy note which I have written over here. Okay, so now you understood that modal means speaker. Okay, the speaker may be going to talk for the permission, possibility, request, ability, or in command. Okay, or in command way. Understood? So now let's see the textbook. So now you have understood why they have written can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. These are the modal verb, and this, with help of this modal verb, we will going to modify the sentence. Now we will see where we have to use can and cannot. When you express any ability, you will going to use can. Betty can solve this sum. So here we are showing the ability of Betty by how we are doing. Betty can solve this sum. Ask for or give permission in a informal way. Can I borrow your pencil? Yes, you can. So you're taking a permission in informal way. Formal and informal way, you know. Okay, so can I borrow your pencil? Yes, you can. So here also we are using can. Now we have make an offer or extend an invitation. You are offering something or you are inviting the invitation. you are offering something, or else you are inviting something, you're giving some invitation. Can I drop you home? Can I request you to come to my birthday party on Sunday? So in 3 ways you can use can. First is ability, second is permission, or you are asking something, and the third one is you're offering something, or you're inviting someone. So in that case, in these 3 cases, you have to use can. We use cannot in the present tense. The short form of cannot is CAN apostrophe and T. Okay? I cannot lift this box. What you have to do, you can use cannot word in present tense. I cannot lift this box. You cannot borrow my pen. You cannot jump from the ledge. You have an exercise of can and cannot. Okay? So now you have understood about the can and cannot. Now we will see where you have to use could. Can and could. We use could to express an ability in the past. जब हम past के बारे में बात करते, the ability of past. Okay, I could blow bowl really fast when I was young. Megha could speak French when she was in school. We use could in the present tense to express a less positive can. I could come for your annual day function. May come but not certain. Sujata could be late for the test. It means that less positive tense means possibility. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. So हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है केस में हम क्या करेंगे? We will going to use, but it has to be present tense. We will going to use what? Could. Now this. We use could to express something that may happen in the future, but it is not certain. It is a possibility. If Ruby does not hurry, she could miss the bus. The car engine could give us trouble as it is old. This is the possibility. We use could not to express something that did not happen in the past. Could not in the short form is could not. Okay? COULDN apostrophe T is this is your short form of could not. You have to write this way. Okay? She could not come for the party because she was unwell. He could not play the match because of an injury. Could is more formal than politer than can to ask for permission. Yes, this is true. जब आप कोई भी परमिशन लेते हो, किसी भी चीज की परमिशन लेते हो, और आप अगर कैन की जगह पे कुड यूज करते हो, तो वो ज्यादा फॉर्मल और पोलाइट वर्ड है कंपैरेटिवली कैन. कैन यू पास मी द सॉल्ट? कुड यू पास मी द सॉल्ट? डिफरेंस पता चला आपको कैन और कुड में? कैन यू पास मी द सॉल्ट ये एक ऑर्डर फॉर्म में हो जाता है, बट व्हेन यू यूज कुड यू पास मी द सॉल्ट, इट लुक्स वेरी फॉर्मल एंड वेरी पोलाइट. Could you tell me the time? Okay. Could you give Deepak this message for me? Could is more formal and polite than can to request someone. Means अगर आप किसी चीज को ऑफर करते हो या आप किसी चीज की परमिशन लेते हो या आप किसी चीज का रिक्वेस्ट परमिशन फिर आप कुछ ऑफर करते हो या कुछ आप इनविटेशन देते हो, तो अगर आप कैन यूज कर सकते हो. नो, कैन यूज करने में कोई रॉन्ग नहीं है, लेकिन कैन की जगह पे अगर आप कुड यूज करते हो परमिशन लेने के लिए या रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए या आप इनविटेशन दे रहे हो या आप ऑफर कर रहे हो, तो वो ज्यादा बेटर दिखता है और पोलाइट और फॉर्मल दिखता है कंपैरेटिवली कैन. कुड मोर फॉर्मल और पोलाइट दिखता है कंपैरेटिवली कैन की जगह पे. ओके, अगर आप सेंटेंस देखोगे तो ये could you give Deepak this message for me? Could I ask the driver to drop me home? Could I help you with your work? Could you lend me your pencil for a short while? It looks very formal and very decent then and very polite than the can. Okay, so today is my first part with this chapter. In my second part, I will going to explain you about may and might. Shall, should, will, would, many more are there. So that I will take in my second part. Today, the first part I have taught you what is modal, where you have to use can, where you have to use could, where you have to use cannot, where you have to use could not. Okay, so if you have any doubt with this, you can just message me or you can call me. Thank you. Have a great day.